guys, it's Mally of Abrahoni Technologies. Here we have two pistons that are from a CRV engine block. If you take a look here at piston number 1, you can clearly see that there is a lot of heat scarring. And if you look inside the skirt, you can also see that there are some heat scarring in there as well. And you also have some oils that has embedded itself into the pores. However, if you take a look here at piston number 2, we put it into one of our Abrahoni equipment and it gave us a very nice OEM finish. I would say that this probably took me about 45 seconds to 1 minute. If you guys have any questions, please make sure that you guys give the sales team a call at 828-202-5563. Also make sure that you guys like, follow, and subscribe to us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you.